Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a bit of troubleshooting. I got a GFI receptacle tripping, and it's on a branch after this GFI that goes to an outlet on the side of the house, and from there I've got a cable running over to a shed, and then from there it even goes out further to the chicken and duck coop that we use, so that I can't get this one to reset. So I tripped a couple times, or once the other day when we tried to run the sump pump for the duck pond, and I was able to reset it. It did it again and then it wouldn't reset. So I unplugged, there was a refrigerator on this plug and another extension cord. I've unplugged that. Now let's take a look, see what else we got here. So it also goes to this receptacle, and if I unplug that, it doesn't do it anymore. But let's go downstream here and see what else I got. So this cord comes through here. Over the last few months, kind of gotten buried. So let's take a look. See if anything's... So I don't want to start here, because I know if I unplugged it from the house, it would correct. So I just wanted to do a little troubleshooting with you. Let's go in here. See this cord that goes out to the ducts has gotten buried, so it could easily have some compromised insulation. It's been sitting out here all summer. So let's do this. Oh, I see it. Look at what's happened here. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. There's a little USB adapter here, and it is pulled out a little bit, and we've got this jammed in the fence, and it's gone through and touched the chain link. So I would have thought it would have tripped this breaker, but it didn't. So let's pull that back out. Plug that back in. We'll have to make a change there, but okay, so that's not touching anymore. That's okay. Let's go see if the GFI will clear now. Alright, now we're back at the GFI. Let's see if it'll clear now. It did. So that was a quick one. Turns out it was just that little USB adapter pulled out a little bit and touched, and it tripped it. Hi ducks. Hi chicken. Sometimes they end up being an easy one, but if you get a GFI tripping, first thing I do is just walk the line, check all the cords, check all the devices plugged into any of those receptacles that are part of that circuit, You know, in my experience, GFI's receptacles, they don't fail that often, but certainly can, and they do. Quick one for you today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video if this is helpful for you.